Good day, friends. Today's class will be taking mathematics and we'll be starting a new topic called percentage error. What is actually percentage error? Percentage error in mathematics is the error, or we call it absolute error, over actual value times 100%. Let me write that on the board. We have percentage error equals to absolute error, we call it error over actual value times 100%. So let's solve this question. It's a jam question. The radius of a circle is given as 5 cm, subject to an error of 0.1 cm. What is the percentage error in the area of the circle? What is the area of a circle? The area of a circle is pi r squared. So let's take the first one. Radius is 5 cm. So we have radius is 5 cm. So what is the true area? The true area is pi r squared. The radius at this point is pi. Radius is 5 squared. So that is 25 pi cm squared. The next one, we are given subject to an error of 0.1 cm. So let's get the new area. The new area is, we are given an error of 0.1. So we can add 0.1 to 5, or you subtract either of the two. You are still going to get the same answer. So I'm adding, so that's 5 plus 0.1. So that will give you 5.1 cm. So let's calculate the area. Pi times 5.1 squared. So I want to get the value now. So 5.1 squared. So 5.1 squared is 26.01 centimeter squared in terms of pi. So let's get the percentage error. So the percentage error will be 26 minus 25. Pi minus 25 pi over the actual value is 25 times 100. So if you do this very well using your calculator, we have 26.01 minus 25. So you have 1.01 pi over 25 pi times 100. So pi cancels pi. You are left with 25 here 1, 25 in 100, 4. So 4 times 1. So you have 4%. So that will give you 4%. So that's the value. That's our topic on percentage error. I hope you are doing something in this video. See you in my next video. Bye.